Effectiveness of snowball technique as a teaching and learning method. By Gudeli Vahini, S. Chaitanya Lata and Sushma Vaddiraju. Background: the study is focused on applying the snowball throwing technique in teaching and learning, and figuring out whether it can improve students' learning and comprehension skills among undergraduate medical students. Small group instruction is used to get around these problems. The snowball technique is one such approach used in small group instruction. The snowball technique is a more recent and inventive approach that is applied in corporate and educational settings. Worldwide, there is a dearth of literature on this technique. This method can be experimented with by medical students in teaching their subjects. Aim: the present study aimed to assess the effectiveness of the snowball technique as a teaching and learning method. Materials and methods: this is a quasi-experimental study conducted in the Department of Pathology, ASRAMS, on Phase 2 MBBS pathology students over a period of 4 months from September to December 2023. Around 150 students were included in the study. A few topics were selected and discussed as routine in small group teaching. Pre- and post-tests were conducted and scores were taken. The same topics in other small groups, around 30 members each, were taken using the snowball technique. Pre- and post-tests were conducted and scores were taken and ranks were given. A comparison of scores, ranks, obtained in routine small group teaching and those using snowball techniques was done. Results: a comparison of pre-test and post-test ranks in snowball technique and routine small group discussions were done. There were significant numbers of positive post-test ranks in snowball technique method. Snowballing allows time to become invested in the work as the stakes get higher. The class constructs the knowledge by working through a challenging topic in the subject, rather than having the teacher explain it in a way that may not suit all learning styles. Conclusions: the snowball technique proved to be an effective way of teaching students and helped in a better understanding of the subject. This good impact was reflected in their summative examinations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.